Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to OPPO A15s. Firstly, go into Play Store on both smartphones, click on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer. I already did that on OPPO because it was taking a lot of time, so I can open it right away. And over here, choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then we need to open it on Motorola and do exactly the same. Following that, choose receive on OPPO and send on Motorola smartphone. Then click on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will select all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one, just for example, like that one. Choose send and tap on got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on OPPO, choosing allow in the pop-up and pointing our device's camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and choose receive. And now, after a bit, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!